In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint macros VBA. If you're looking to automate tasks and supercharge your workflow in PowerPoint, then you're in the right place. We'll dive into the steps to get started with macros and VBA, setting the stage for you to explore the world of possibilities they offer for customizing presentations. First, let's open up your PowerPoint file from your computer. Make sure you've selected the presentation you plan to work on. You might have it saved on your desktop or perhaps in a specific folder. Double click to launch it and make sure it's the file where you want to implement the VBA scripts and macros. This will be the canvas for all the automation magic we're going to create today. Once your PowerPoint is open, navigate to the actual presentation itself. It might seem like we're stating the obvious, but it's crucial to ensure you're looking at the content you'll be working with. This includes all your slides and the elements within them. Take a moment to consider what tasks you want to automate. Now let's find that developer tab in the ribbon. If you don't see it, don't worry. It's not uncommon for the developer tab to be hidden by default in PowerPoint. To enable it, right-click anywhere on the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. In the right pane, ensure the developer checkbox is selected. Once activated, this tab is your gateway to accessing powerful tools for automation. Click on the developer tab. The options here might look a bit intimidating at first, especially if you're not familiar with coding. However, these tools will soon become your friends as they help you automate repetitive tasks, save time, and expand PowerPoint's functionality beyond its typical capabilities. Next, locate and click on the Visual Basic button within the Developer tab. Doing so will open Visual Basic for applications, commonly referred to as VBA. This new window is where you'll write and manage your macros. It's kind of like stepping into a different world where you can edit the underlying code that controls your PowerPoint file's behavior. In this VBA environment, you're now free to use and create your own scripts. If you're new to VBA, start exploring by looking at examples or existing macros. This is a fantastic way to get a feel for the layout and structure of scripts. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment as you learn. By familiarizing yourself with how these features work, you're setting yourself up to harness the full power of PowerPoint. Following these steps not only makes you more efficient, but also empowers you to customize presentations in ways you may have never thought possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps make your PowerPoint journey much smoother and more creative.